whooping cough epidemic. Good evening, everyone. I'm Stephanie Gorin.
And I'm George Mallet. 500 cases of whooping cough or pertussis since the start of 2012. Vermont health officials say they haven't seen this many cases in years.
News Channel 5's David Charnes is live in the newsroom with our top story tonight. David.
Well, the health department is reporting about 520 cases of whooping cough this year. That's nearly 10 times the amount reported in 2011. Officials made the announcement this afternoon in Burlington. They say the cough, also known as pertussis, is cyclical and that it's not uncommon to have a large amount of cases one year and nearly no cases the next. Whooping cough is highly infectious and can lead to severe illness or even death, and is especially dangerous to infants. Health officials are encouraging anyone over 19 years old to get a Tdap vaccine, a booster against tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis, to help prevent the spread.
This is a life-threatening illness. We are blessed that no one has passed away for several decades in this state, but the numbers are increasing. And I think the good news is we can do something about this.
Clinton County is also reporting an increase in cases. Last year, they had 5 reported instances of whooping cough. Through November of this year, they already had nearly 30. The Vermont Health Department will be holding free vaccination clinics next Wednesday at its 12 local district offices across the state. The best ways to combat the spread of the disease is, of course, frequent hand washing. Get the vaccine, and if you have a cough, make sure to cough into your elbow or a tissue to prevent a spread. If you have questions about this vaccine, you're asked to call your doctor. Live in the newsroom tonight, I'm David Charnes, News Channel 5.
Thanks, David. And according to health officials, the symptoms of whooping cough can start off very similar to a common cold.
Yeah, you may experience upper respiratory infection, sneezing, runny nose, a low-grade fever, and a cough. With pertussis, though, these symptoms get worse over several weeks, and the cough, well, that becomes much more severe.
Obviously, if that happens, see your doctor right away and isolate yourself, since whooping cough is, as David said, primarily spread through direct contact.